Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of artificial flowers, specifically showcasing the best Orange Hydrangea Artificial Flowers available on the market. If you're looking to brighten up your space or add a touch of elegance to your events, stay tuned because we have something special for you. Introducing the Blooming Paradise Artificial Hydrangeas. These vibrant orange-red hydrangeas are not just visually stunning, but they also offer incredible versatility for any occasion. Made from high-quality silk, they beautifully mimic the delicate texture of real hydrangeas while providing a long-lasting and maintenance-free option for your floral arrangements. One of the standout features of these artificial hydrangeas is their realistic design. Each bouquet includes 5 stems, each with a full flower head that creates a lush, abundant look. The vibrant orange-red color adds warmth and joy to any setting, making it perfect for weddings, home decor, or festive celebrations. Imagine using these stunning blooms to create centerpieces for a wedding or as decorative accents at a family gathering. The possibilities are endless. You can mix them with other artificial flowers or even combine them with real blooms for a unique touch. Plus, since they're artificial, you won't have to worry about wilting or fading, making them a reliable choice for any occasion. The dimensions of these hydrangeas are ideal for both table settings and larger displays. The flower heads measure approximately 7 inches in diameter, with a height of around 13 inches. Whether you're placing them in a simple vase on your dining table or arranging them for a grand event, they're sure to stand out. One tip when you receive your hydrangeas: give them a little fluff. They may get a bit crumpled during shipping, but with just a little adjusting, they'll look magnificent. This easy maintenance makes them a perfect choice for anyone, regardless of their floral arranging skills. These artificial flowers not only enhance the beauty of your environment but also add a peaceful and serene vibe. Whether you're staging your home for sale or just want to add a splash of color to your office, these hydrangeas are an excellent choice. And let's not forget about gifting. These hydrangeas can make thoughtful, get-well-soon gifts when arranged beautifully in a vase, showing someone you care without the worry of maintenance. So, if you're ready to elevate your decor and infuse some vibrant energy into your spaces, the Blooming Paradise Artificial Hydrangeas are definitely worth considering. You can find them online for around $18.99, which is quite a steal for such high-quality, versatile decor. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on amazing products that can transform your home and events. Until next time, happy decorating!